The Genie Who Was Hard of Hearing. A man is walking along the beach when he stumbles upon an old lamp. Naturally, he picks it up and gives it a rub. A genie appears in a puff of smoke. Genie, I will grant you one wish. Man, just one? Genie, budget cuts, go. The man thinks hard and says, I've always wanted to visit Hawaii, but I'm afraid of flying and get seasick. So I wish for a bridge from California to Hawaii so I can drive there. The genie raises an eyebrow. That's a massive infrastructure project. You're asking for thousands of miles of bridge over deep ocean with rest stops and everything. Can't you wish for something easier? The man nods. All right, fair. In that case, I wish to understand women. I want to know what they're thinking, why they feel what they feel, and how to make them happy. The genie stares at him, blinks a few times, and says, So, that bridge, 2 lanes or 4?